Why? I was wondering where the music was coming from. It's from there we go. Why does that sound so different? Yo, Tesh. How's it going, bruv? Good morning. Dave, good morning. Virus, Rust. Josh, ayo. Koto, ayo. Has a blessed and much loved Josh. Have a wonderful day as well. And yeah. Yimo, bonjour. Hi, good morning. Yo, Yomo. Good morning, good morning. Okay, let's see. Way too many PRs this morning. It looks like ZVSA is hitting new highs of the day, which is nice. Yeah. New highs of the day. 93% is impressive, actually. Tom, good morning. In it. Good morning, Josh. Ayo. La 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 la. Where did you go? Where did you go last week, Tesh? I feel like you went on vacation or something. Anyways, okay, let me pull up some of these. What else did I want to look at today? Holo, holo. Luna's doing well. Luna's better this morning than I actually expected. Wasn't expecting that thing to hold $7. It actually is, which is good. So it looks like the bottom for today, pre-market, is $6. Friday night was $5.80. This morning is $6. So can we call that a high or low? I guess so. I knew it. You went to where? I went to France for a short break for 4 days. My goodness, Tesh. Tesh is like, I'm going to the Eiffel Tower with Marianne. Very nice. Hopefully you had a good time, Tesh. Hopefully you had a good time. Only thing is you didn't send us any pictures. Unbelievable. Yeah, it looks like Luna is slowly creeping up there from $7. $7. Let's see. Yeah, still no pictures for Luna. Uh, yeah, 8:30ish. Yeah, yeah, kind of musty. Yeah, yes. Yeah, no, Holo's also done a good job. It just carried their momentum over from Friday. Friday, and said bye, bye. Hmm. Holo's not Holo. Luna's pretty slow though. These candles are moving up 2 cents at a time, so that's not a massive move there. Not a massive move. My question is, why they always go to the other side of the moon? I don't know, maybe less banana peels or something virus. They still ended up slipping on a banana. So I was looking at the comments. I was reading some of these posts. Uh, someone asked someone asked like, "Hey, what do I do with Luna now?" And the comments were wild. Someone said, "Yeah, it's done. These guys, it crashed." Someone said they slipped on a banana. Someone said it's dead. It tipped over. It's laying on its side. Like the comments were savage. Yeah, the memes, Josh, the memes are different. And then you have all these memes of like RDD2 or something, whatever you call that thing. But the one Dan posted in Discord. Yup. Rachel, good morning. Choices, good morning. Light speed. Nairo, good morning. Hello, guys. Yeah, all we wanted was send us pictures. R2D2, yeah. Send us pictures or tell us like what this means for the company going forward. Yeah, you went to the moon, and so what? you know? Oh, come on, Koto. Yes, you went to the moon, but what does that mean? This means nothing for you and me. Means nothing. But hopefully, this becomes a good long-term play, right? I'm sure there are going to be people that are holding this, and um, this might be like a Tesla way back when. People can't really see the future, but maybe some people do, and they're like, you know what? In the future, when these guys can go to the moon and deliver these payloads over and over and over, it's going to be like a lucrative thing for them. So maybe you just have to do the research, and maybe you believe, maybe you don't. I don't know. So for now, it's bouncing off $7, so that's a good thing. ASTI had some NASA news this morning. I was hoping it would get above $1, but it never did. So, well, it did, but it could not hold. FRGT was a recent split, popped and then came back down, almost lost all the gains. So that's a little bit annoying as well. ZVSA is also now kind of selling off. Um, yeah, Holo's done well though. Holo's done really well. So stay above 1080 $11, and that thing should be okay. I think the high for now is what, 12.30? Yeah, 12.30. $12.30. Yeah, ICCM had some news this morning. The news is but the trending down nothing. Yeah, and we say this all the time. It's one thing for a company to have news, but the news is cool. But the reason why we want news is so the volume can come in. So if the volume isn't coming in, then the news really doesn't help you. You know what I mean? So, or it might be something that is a delayed reaction. So I think, yeah, they posted this, yeah, so 16 minutes ago, right? So uh, this one doesn't give us all the details. Let me go back to Discord here. Let me go back to Discord and look at ICCM. Uh, yeah, like the news is really good actually. Using ice cures, that's the name of the drug. Results in 100% tumor reduction in early stage breast cancer. That news seems amazing, doesn't it? It seems amazing, right? Okay, it shows, yeah, this one here. So yeah, like it seems like really good news for ICCM. So the drug, right, Prosense something 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 showed 100% tumor reduction in patients with early stage breast cancer. Right, was 90 to 39. Yeah, That seems like really good news. I'm not sure why the market isn't reacting um, to that news. Yeah, you thought the news was great as well. Yeah, it seems like really good news. I'm sure there's a reason why the market isn't reacting to this, though. Good morning, Eddie. Companies headquartered in Israel? Maybe, maybe. Um, yeah, let me take a look here again. Let's see, and this is something that so it's up 3 pennies, huh? 3 pennies. Well, I think we kind of have an. I think we kind of have our answer just by looking at that daily chart. Uh, that thing isn't exactly just coming off the bottom, is it? It's not, right? This thing is coming from and also, I mean, like it's been stalling here for so long. I think you look at this and you can see the resistance, right? How long have we been sitting here? If you go back all the way to like end of last month, so we've been sitting here for a month. Like this resistance on ICCM, it's been there for a month now. I mean, you can go back longer and it's still there, right? So anywhere below $1.50 is a lot of resistance. Every time we go up, we fail there. December of last year, right? So we've been sitting here for a few months now. So maybe if that thing can break above, yeah, net of versus Q4. Okay. So maybe until we break above $1.50, that thing might have an issue. And if it breaks down with this news, maybe it's going to the abyss. But I think this is something to watch at the open, though. See if the news can gain some traction as the market opens. Alrighty, so we'll keep this one. We'll keep this one and watch, and then go from there. La, 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 la. Actually, the high from Friday is $1.34 too. So $1.34. Yeah, the volume just isn't there. Luna has a new tweet. Ooh. Yeah, Luna's pumping. So that tweet, people seem to be reacting to that. Then, ooh. I want to see. Yeah, 770. Something happened for sure. Twitter. Twitter. I need to look for intuitive machines. 2 minutes ago. So they're saying it continues to communicate with flight controllers in Nova Control from after understanding the end-to-end communication requirements, would send images from Luna. So they're saying they have images. Oh, okay. Sends images from the lunar surface of its vertical descent to oh, okay. So they're saying this image is an image for from a this is the image they got from the descent. So that's what to the south pole they're saying. For this south, any vehicle has been able to land on the moon and communication with ground controllers. Huh. Is the tweet on its side? I don't know. Can you really call it landing though? I see. That's what I mean. Yep. They're like, yeah, these pictures are descending pictures. Yeah. I mean, oh yeah, there's more. Okay, there's more. So captured this image approximately 35 seconds after pitching uh, over to the landing site. Okay, so they're saying this picture is that's the landing picture. Nine sites targeted South Pole region, which is a. Hmm. So they're saying these are the pictures. Huh. That's cool. That's cool. I mean, I mean, I mean that's cool. I'll post these pictures in Discord. Say, was there another one? Uh, Interesting. Why does this why does this moon seem like these are those pictures of pictures of like painting glass. Um. Anyways, what's Holo doing here? Holo is still Holo Monday. Yeah, hopefully it continues doing rich. That's the Google moon. Yeah. No, it looks like people were waiting for these pictures though. People were actually waiting because as soon as they sent those pictures out, look at what happened to the stock. It popped, right? The question is, will it continue to do that though? Musty is like scam, 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 scam. Oh my days. Na, 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 na. Choo 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 choo. Hmm. Yeah, let's see if Holo can dip and then give us some consolidation at some point and then go for another run. Another monster run. ZVSA looks like it's kind of trying to hold that previous breakout at $1.40. Uh, FRGT looks okay for now, holding 250. And then this one looks like rubbish too, so looks like rubbish. So for now, we're gonna go into the open with Holo and Luna. Holo and Luna. RVSN. So RVSN has some news. RVSN. Real Vision. These guys drop news like every morning. Every morning they have a new article. Every single morning. They're really trying to pump this stock. Really trying to. You're just messing around, Josh? Yeah. I can't help but I talk trash. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I think the more we see stuff like this, maybe this is gonna become normal. But for now, it's still gonna be things that people question. Look at that! Everybody was waiting for pictures, guys. Look at these comments. Landing confirmed. Amazing. Someone's like, "Yay! We have pictures. Yay! We have pictures." It's the most newsworthy stock on the market. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is, Josh. Is this what the moon looks like, though? That's what the moon looks like. Hmm. Have we ever seen pictures of the moon? Well, other than hmm, interesting. How come we don't? We how come this isn't something that we've seen before? No, bro. I see no money there. It's not a moon. Well, The sun is okay. Okay. I'm just asking because I don't know, and I know nothing about the moon, so I'm just asking if one of you guys knew something about. So yeah, Josh, that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, good. The moon looks like what they tell you. Uh, yep. With your telescope. Yep. Yep. You would think, with you're setting up something that's worth millions of dollars, you'd have a nice camera too. But again, maybe it's just because it's really bright. Like it's really, really bright, so it's hard to have a camera like that. I mean, this picture looks nice, doesn't it? Like this picture looks nicer. It looks like the thing is actually standing up in that picture. So what happened? It and then it fell over after that. Brush. Send a GoPro up there. Uh, uh. Anyways, that's the moon, guys. That picture is questionable. uh, but idea of what okay they have. Okay, sounds good. Hmm. ICCM is trying to find support at that demand zone, isn't it? So maybe this thing. We'll see what happens at the open. Good morning, CM. Because people can see the near side of and they can see the lies. My goodness! Wow. EKLI Gonskis. Okay, Michelle. Yeah, yeah. That thing is popped really nicely there to that supply zone. Hmm. Interesting. They used a damn telescope. Interesting. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So it looks like some of these pictures are like from the actual thing, like like these pictures. That picture is from the descent, and then the other two pictures, like this picture is from the lander, and then this picture is from like a telescope or something, showing that it's on the moon. But what if that's a rock? Like, is this a rock or is that the actual thing? What are they trying to show us with that little blue marker? They're like, hey, there it is. It's there. It's an alien. It's a rock. I'm kidding. No, hopefully it's the actual thing. I don't know how they can tell from that damn picture. But I mean, it looks like there are no other rocks. It's interesting how everything else looks smooth except for the one thing we're supposed to see. You know, like you can see everything so smoothly except for the one thing we need to see, and they're like, "We're zooming in, guys." It's a dildo. Oh my days! You know what? Since we have time, I hope they have comments. I don't want to leave a comment. I just want to see what the comments are on that specific picture. 4 minutes nowadays. Yep. Yeah, there are no real comments here. Anyways, good morning, surfer. Anyways, hopefully they've actually landed on the moon though. That'd be cool. Uh, anyways, anyways, this picture looks nice though, doesn't it? Like this picture looks nice. They should have sent us more pictures like these ones. Like I'd believe more pictures like this, and that would be good. That would be absolutely perfect. Virus, what is that? What kind of cheese is really made of, Gail? The cheese with like holes in it. Jeff, what's your position? Like, it depends. It depends, Jeff. You're gonna have to give me like details. Are you in it already? Are you? Um, The answer will always change. It doesn't matter what the stock looks like, Jeff. The answer will always change depending on your position. So let me know. That's a Fish Islands. The good morning, T. Happy Monday, Kimbella. Good morning. That one looks like a police helicopter looking for a smooth criminal with technology. Yeah, I think this one looks a bit more believable just because you have the lander thing in the frame, you know. But you're in at $1.50. You waited and then you FOMOed at $1.50, Jeff. You waited for all the spamming and spamming. Where's Jason? Jason, come, come, come. What was Jeff doing the whole time? Luna is going back up, which is good. Which is good. Which is good. Okay, let me take a look at air. So, anyways, anyways, why do I have in comments? Where's Jason? Sounds about right to me. I'm kidding, Jeff. I'm kidding. No, so you're green for now, and it and like I still like it. Yes. Obviously, I wanted you to be in closer to $1.20, $1.30 because then it's easier to manage. But for now, you're green, and it still looks good. So yeah, and it's actually trying to open above like a key support level, which is perfect, a key resistance level, which is good. So yeah, air still looks nice. We talked about this one last week quite a bit. There was a lot of spamming for this one. So yeah, I still like what it's doing. The potential is still there. There's a lot of upside to this. Make sure you have a plan, please, Jeff. Don't be going red on this thing, please. You had to check 146. Okay, good. You know, make sure it doesn't go below 150. There's no need for this thing to be below 150. It's not a day trade. There's no way you should lose on this trade. Not a day trade. In below 150. 150 is the closing price. The reason I say 150 is because why should this thing go from green to red? What's the point of that? That's too much weakness. So for now, it looks good. Ready? Air. Easy as breathing air, Jeff. The scene of the moon. Okay, let's see here. There's so many. The was camera team located the location of the crater. Estimated Russian. The crash site is which is 400 Luna's intended landing. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know honestly. This is why like these pictures are cool and all, but I wish they gave us more information on like how the company would perform. You know what they're gonna do with the moon landing. Holo's are retesting $10 here, so let's see if it stays above 10. If not, we sell off into the demand zone maybe. Retest that previous breakout. So and then Luna's double topping around 770. 770. Yeah, BTC is still below that at 52.5. Still just ranging for now. You're tired this morning? Why? Did you not sleep? Mera. Mera. Who I everything you do is more can believe. Huh. I don't know what that means, Jeff. I don't know what it means. I sleep just not enough. Yeah, that's how it is. Omega when future stream. Yeah, we should yeah, at some point we will. Yeah, at some point we will. There you go. Is it okay to enter that price? I think I mean it's at 68 cents now, and it's at the highs of the day. So I just never feel comfortable with that, saying, yeah, it's okay when it's at the highs of the day. Right? So it's slightly below 70 cents. Yeah, I bet you we're going to struggle a bit at 70 cents, maybe, probably. Right? So highs of the day is usually not the best time for entries. It does look good though. Like it looks good if you're in it, but if you're not, you're kind of playing with fire, right? Especially the closer we get to the open and it's sitting at the highs. What happens if it just drops? Uh, yeah. Clear one of your one-on-one schedules and do a future stream instead. Perhaps a redness day. And that's not a bad idea actually. Yeah. Let's see. How are you at seven already, Joe? How are you at seven already? How? Joe, how? 68 cents for that thing. That's wild. No, no, no. You got the 100, okay. And then, did you go all in? You did 10 contracts, didn't you? 10 or 15? 30 minutes? How the hell did you do that? You did 14. You went all in. You're like, you know what? Let me blow this up or get the pass. On a few? Okay. I you have four of those hundreds? That's impressive. That's very impressive. Oh my days. Wild. It's very impressive. Very, very impressive. Uh, don't scalp and drive. No, 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 no. Yeah. No, it's still a slow morning. There's not anything that really stands out for now. So AKLI looks good, but obviously that 70 cents is usually a problem. So I'd be careful. HOLO seems like it's trying to stay above $10. The reason again, like I'd be careful with any of these names going into the open, right? Just in case people decide to take profits immediately. So and then Luna doubles up, like I said earlier. So for now, just kind of watching. Watching air is back below 160, which is annoying. Yeah, 160 is a big level, Jeff. Big level. Big level. Like tires spinning in the mud. Why? Why are they spinning in the mud? Spinning in mud. Why? Yeah. Since they didn't over the weekend looking to get in, no, they gave updates. They've sent pictures for Luna. So Luna has uploaded pictures of the moon, and then the stock popped a little bit here. So let's see what happens when the market opens. Meta video game over the Elmo on fire give. Yeah. No, this is Luna burning the Earth to go to the moon. All these people that say like I'm just asking. So when people say like we care about the environment and all of this stuff, and then they're like, oh, we wanna explode things to go to the moon. What does that mean? I don't know. Is that how it works? Educate my ignorant self on what these guys do. Anyways, good morning, William. So like, let's destroy the Earth to go make monies on the moon and then come back to Earth. But let's get that rubbish out of here. La, la, la. From Mars. still can't do stuff out 2024. Yeah, it is. It's minimal. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Good morning, Justin. It's been crazy, Colin. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look like we're dropping this morning. So, doesn't look like we're dropping this morning. So, there's that. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, so 0, 0. Doo-doo-doo-doo. 1 maybe. Mm, mm, mm. Na, 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 na. Add-ons. 1 second. Let me just quickly. Doo-doo-doo-doo. 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 It's a lot of information. Oh, I see that. That's the game, Pablo. Okay. Oh, I see. It's doing stuff. Okay, let me go back. Yeah, it's still stuck just below 70 cents there. And Shake the Jeff. They need to do for personal gain, Freebo. Every year, spring chemicals into the. Those wonkers, bunch of liars, these. And back to your regular scheduled program. Zoom in a house and everything there. La, 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 la. Exactly, Musty. Like a hobby moon watcher. In order to put up windmills, let's the earth let's and let underground. Yeah, exactly, Michelle. And yep, exactly. When the market is boring, it really is. This is what happens when the market is boring. Mostly in the field. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, no, Omega. I was just asking because I was like, okay, you know what? Like this seems like it's not, but I don't know, right? So I just had to ask. I just had to ask. Yeah, Holo looks interesting there at like 970, doesn't it? Almost like it's gonna bounce off that level. Holo, $9.70. Should have gone a little bit lower. A little bit lower. That would have been nice. But for now, it's $9.70. You think 8:30 is coming? Yeah. For Luna, okay. Let's see what happens when the market opens. Lila, that's destroying. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Unless that's different too. I don't know. Uh, Michelle, yeah, like yeah, it's trying to curly curls of 970. So we're back to $10 there for Holo. The only annoying thing about pre-market is the spread is crazy. Like the bid is at 990, almost $10 now, and then the ask goes all the way to 1044. It's like okay, well that's cool, but unless you put in a really nice bid and it fails, you're playing with fire. So yeah, it looks like it's trying to curl there. There it goes. 10, 10, 10, 12. Not too bad. They've done an offering, Pablo. Lodi. Acorn. $3 million public offering. Two offerings 15 minutes before the market opens. Isn't that crazy? Hmm. Acon. Yeah, ICCM is still holding. I don't know why that thing is stuck at that price, but it's, yeah, it's sitting there. So yeah, I mean they have really good news, right? If you missed it, these guys announced this morning that the phase 1 study for like their breast cancer drug. I mean this is what they announced, right? And it seemed like really good news, getting entered, right? So showed 100% tumor reduction in patients with early stage breast cancer in a independent study. So it seems like really good news, but the stock really isn't breaking above resistance. So let's see what happens when the market opens, right? It closed at $1.32 and it's sitting at $1.33, so it's up 1 penny. So we'll see if the volume ever kicks in on that one. There goes Holo. Holo popped all the way to 1050. So that was a nice curl off the bottom. Uh, yeah, it's not a bad phase 1 sample, Josh. Yeah. So yeah, Holo did pop off 990 $10 there. So there goes 1040. Not bad. Smack that. Let me pull up Acon. Convict music. And I think these guys are one of the recent split. Oof, look at that thing getting entered. My goodness. Wait, when did they do a split? Or have they ever done a split? No, they've never done a split. Okay, maybe that's their goal. Crash it and then do a split, I guess. Uh, why you would do why you would do an offering below $1? Like this is why I think like the SEC needs to do better. Because these companies are way too comfortable doing stuff like this. Like if you're listed, your goal should be at the very minimum stay above $1, right? Drop some PR, stay above $1. If you're willing to do like an offering below $1.90 and screw your investors like that, delist the damn stock. That thing just went from 90 cents to 33 cents. Like it's done, isn't it? And then now they're going to do a split because they don't care, and then they're going to do another offering, blah blah blah. Delist these stocks. You know, after hours, they know what the they so exactly musty. Jan 4th. That's what it says. Okay, for some reason TradingView didn't show me that. Oh, they can't. Okay, see, like why would you do that then? Why not drop some PR first? Minus 63%. Can you imagine waking up to that? More than half your monies is gone. Pissed. Pissed. Yeah, I thought these guys were on the split list. Yeah, because the float is like six. Well, look at the float, guys. Look at the float. All for personal gain, people. Look at the damn float. The float says 666. If you're holding the stock and the float is 666, well, maybe you shouldn't be holding it. Just get rid of it. If the float is 666, the price is 666, anything about it is just get rid of it. Use your superstitions, get rid of it. Believe in them. Because this is what happens when you don't believe in superstitions. I'm kidding, by the way. But that's pretty stupid. Anyways, so FRGT is still kind of curling there, not too bad. Holo is still pumping there, Josh. Ooh, 1080, that was a sweet spot. That was a very nice curl. She should have taken that. These demand zones, like the 200 in the demand zone, is becoming a really. I feel like we talk about this all the time now. Like right there, the 200 in the demand zone. It's becoming a really, really sweet spot for bouncing. Look at that candle. We just went from 990, almost 97, yeah, 970 at the bottom there, 970 to $11. That's a pretty nice break. Very nice holo. So this one is setting up nicely into the open now, which is good. ICCM is still holding at the bottom there. I think it's because Michelle bought it. Guaranteed. And then AKLI is it's breaking that 70 cents. So let's see if we can stay above that. Holo and Luna, Greg. Holo and Luna. Send it. Yeah, it's been a bit of a slow morning. So there's 10 minutes to go. Hopefully the chaos begins. You know. Na 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 na. LK 73 cents there. AKLI. Keep calling it LK, but how did you know, Michelle? I knew you did it. I was like, wait, why does that stock have a green candle? It's because Michelle bought it. So, yep, yep. I knew it. Na 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 na. Na. Okay, how much time do we have? Let me get ready for some. Na, na. Uh, Joe, check your DMs. I'm overly nice, Michelle. Now. uh, yes. Let me take a look at ADTX here. ADTX is, oh dang. Look at this stupid thing, guys. Look at this. 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 We wanted to play with ADTX this morning. Why? Because we talked about this, right? Some of you guys most likely FOMO. Look at that beautiful double bottom, right? Beautiful double bottom. I wanted this thing to be chilling at like 340. Joe, everything, you're done for the day, Joe. You're done. Close, shut it down. And then everything else you do now is not for you. Okay? Okay. Yeah. I mean, let's see what happens when the market opens here, if the volume actually kicks in and it continues to go. So, volume seems interesting though. Anyways, I'm going to leave that up on the side there. Leave that on the side. Air is still kind of okay there for now, Jeff, but it's still below 160, so that's a problem. I'm gonna pull up another one here. Okay, let's see. Let me make sure I'm ready to go here. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Do, 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 do. Okay. There we go. Do, 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 do. Sign into this. Sign into this. Sign into that. Blah, blah, blah. Hmm. It's not working. Not working. Here you go. A spy is looking weak. That's because Joe is entering the yeah. So what do we have into the open here? Still HOLO. And Luna is still playing with the with 760, 770 at the top. Okay, well, open the markets. Open the markets, guys. Ayo Dan. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Good morning. Yeah, no, Joe's playing with futures. Michelle, have you been to the futures channel in Discord? We haven't. Yeah, yeah. Take a look. Take a look. What's at the bottom of these ones? What's at the bottom of these ones? 0, 1. 2. Let's see. Oh no. Interesting. Okay. Sound ER. Yep. No, for now FRGT. It just looks like it's looking for a base at 245 IE. So no runs yet on that one. No running. Look at HOLO, guys. Oh my days! Look at that thing. That thing just went from all the way from 11 to $10 on that one candle. Almost like something happened, but nothing happened, and it's recovering again. Interesting. Yeah, and ZVSA. Okay, sounds good. Let's see. Open the markets. Open. Copyright protection music on stream. Yeah, me too. Me too. Other than like Joe's music, we have to play a lot of rubbish. Have to play a lot of rubbish. 20 seconds. And then we're open for business. Yeah, if it pops at the open, yep. $1.35 still for ICCM. I wonder what that thing's gonna do. Let's see. Yeah, and here we go, guys. Ding, ding, ding. Air. Interesting. Okay. Air is at 160. Wow, 163 now. Let's see. Yeah, this one lacks volume though. So I bet you it's gonna be sitting. HOLO's dipping a little bit. ICCM isn't really doing much. AKLI Still kind of confused in terms of like what it wants to do. At least it's holding 70 cents though, so that's good. 73. Yeah, we might need to pay attention to that one there. There was another alert. You can hear all these. You can't really hear yet, but you can see all these alerts. One candle. My goodness, Joe. My goodness, Joe. All in, Joe. All in. No, it's struggling at 70 cents there, William. 70 cents obstacle. HOLO is also quite confused. And then Luna's dipping at the open. Some people are taking profits like, hey, thank you. On 2 ES candles, 14 contracts. Like Joe is going in. 14 contracts. My days. Okay, I need to mute my Discord. Mute. 60. Still dipping. Yeah, nothing really stands out yet, right? Like, nothing. So be patient, please, and thank you. Patience. There it goes. Just stay above $10 and then go back up HOLO. 10. And then go boom skis. Yeah, Luna is still dipping like a tomato here. So we're retesting the 200. Well, broke below the 200. So still selling off. Meh. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. It's going to the moon. Okay, I'll pull up that one. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. All the other fun stuff. ZVSA. Yeah, this one popped immediately here, so that's not too bad. Yeah, this one's done really well since Friday. Really well. It's halted up now, 126%. FRGT is also trying to give us a breakout, so watch 270 for that thing. Yeah, this one's halted though, Justin. So we shall see. 60, 63. HOLO still dipping. HOLO just came back to retest that same support level. I mean, if you can stay above that level, then that's good. You know, so see if we can. Okay, perfect. And there goes your bounce again, right? So we're bouncing off the same level. It's the same 200 in the demand zone. Right, Delray, good morning. So this time it's 980 though, right? 980 to 1040. Yep, and there it goes 1060. Oof, 1070. Oh my days. Right, that's a pretty nice pop. 1090. Oh my goodness, almost back to $11. Right, so that support is really good. That 200 in the demand zone is becoming a common theme now for these stocks. How many times have we done that this morning? Well, only the 2 times, I think. I mean, well, we did bounce like at some point off the 200 again, right? So the 200 has become a really nice base. As long as we don't keep testing it though, like the more we test that, the weaker it gets. For now, solid bounce. So forget that little white line at $10. It's all about the 200 there for the stock. All about the 200. So look at Luna as well. What's Luna bouncing off? Luna is also bouncing off the 200, right? And it's done that twice as well. So breakout, and then retest right there, right? And then another retest right there, and then pop. So and HOLO is on fire now, right? HOLO is like, leave me, I want to go. Look at Luna go, $11.40. My goodness, 11.50. Oof, 11.60. Oh my goodness, HOLO. 11.70. Wow, that's quite the pop, isn't it? off the demand zone off a 200. Green box 200, send it. So if you bought the dipskis on that, that's a pretty nice dipski to buy. 1170. Here we go. New highs of the day: 1179, 1180, 1190. Whew, 80% rally. That's impressive. So I think we kind of had that speculation that Luna was gonna, it what? Hmm. It's dumping. Yeah, it just couldn't stay above. It just couldn't break above that 70 cents and stay above it. So let's see here. Hmm. Interesting. Arm is sending it. It's going strong. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, I guess they have a few days till SoftBank decides to liquidate. So, or maybe not. About his investments, Joe. There goes 1170 again. If you're holding Holo, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. Trans- okay. See, Senoro. Yes, sir. 56 shares. Very nice. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Uh, do, 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 do. What's the bid and ask on this one here? Do, 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 do. Bid and ask. Don't like that. La 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 la. It's unhalted, unsalted. Yeah, it looks like it popped all the way to like 95. Well, there goes $2. Oh my goodness, look at that thing go 160%. Musty, you're watching C-pop? Let me pull that one up. Or my alert to being acoustic. Oh yeah, C-pop is already halted, Musty. C-pop. So is ZVSA is halted again now. Yup. Yeah, C-pop is halted. And the bid is still at 470. Yeah, some interesting stonks this morning. ICCM is gone from green to red, Michelle, which is quite surprising. With good news, and look at Holo go. Holo is going for 12. Oof, I'm surprised Holo isn't halted here. Holo is on fire. My goodness. You're done for now? Okay. There goes $12. That was a perfect bottom. My goodness. That $9.70. Perfection. And now it's on fire. So congratulations again if you're holding this thing. The only thing that isn't moving for now is Luna. Luna is still going down. So maybe Luna is going to find a way. Luna broke below the 200, so that's never a good thing. So we can reclaim that. That would be good. Holo is not stopping. Holo is like go, 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 go. 1020. Well done, Greg. There goes 1270. Highs of the day. Highs of the day. Yeah, BMR. Yeah, BMR can. So I think CPOP and what's BMR doing? And Holo is finally halted. BMR is not really doing anything for now. So until it starts to gain a bit of attention, like the volume comes in, it's not. CPOP is unhalted, and it's still around the same price, Musty. So same price for now. Same price. So we'll see. Cool. KB. Okay. Yes, halted up. Let me take a look at the bid here. The spread for CPOP is outrageous. Outrageous. I hate when stuff is like that. Anyways, HOLO. La 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 la. It's the bid is still the same, so nothing new. Nothing new. Um, yeah, no, BMR isn't doing much for now, so yeah, and then ZVSA still halted at 180%. So congratulations if you're in that thing. I think a whole bunch of you guys are holding this one just because it's been running since Friday and then all morning and then just kind of relaxed, consolidated, and then popped again. So that was a nice breakout. Really nice breakout, actually. Wow. So, and then this is one of the things I've mentioned quite a few times, right? The only way I touch these things at the open is if they're breaking out. If not, you wait for the sell-off. So in this case, that thing clearly broke out, right? Whether you're looking at a double top, a pivot at $1.50, or you're looking at the pre-market highs, either or, pretty good levels, right? Pop, 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 pop. Halted 180. Crystal, good morning. Ayo, Lori, Tesla. And Luna looks like it's trying to do some things here. So if it can behave and perform, that would be good. Air is still looking good here. Christo, I know you're holding this one. So Air is actually stayed above. And so I said this earlier. Air has to stay above $1.50 now. It closed it closed at $1.50 on Friday. It has to stay above $1.50. Otherwise, you have issues. You don't want this thing going from green to red. Jeff, are you listening? Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Maybe a little bit of consolidation here, Justin, for AKLI. If we can stay above 52-ish, that would be good. So ZVSA halted, HOLO halted. Give us on halts, please. You did, Sky. You scored big. Nice, congratulations. Goal, golasso. Yeah, so CPOP isn't really doing much there, Musty, for now, unless we stay above unless we close these candles above the 200, stay above 420, and maybe there's a chance there, Musty. But that was quite the pump and dump. So you need the curl. You need the curl, and then BMR DP needs to break above $8 altogether. So clear $8. We on halted, yeah. So ZVSA is on halted. It went all the way to 250 actually. Throw it out the window. Throw it out the window. There goes 240, 245, 200%. The red button for SPY to crash. I know, James. I know. I've been trying to push the damn red button, and they keep pumping it. 1.4 million in volume. Yeah, especially closer to the market open, you have these crazy volume candles. People are ready to especially on the Monday too. Like people are looking for that one thing that's ready to go and send it. Look at Air. Air is at the highest now, so 165. Should I sell if it's halted? You cannot sell if it's halted. You're still trying to figure it out, Jeff? Or ignore, Jeff. Ignore. So there goes retesting 170 for Air. So it looks like HOLO's unhalted. It popped all the way to $13 and then went down and then back to 13. So the spread is all over the place. All over the place. Yeah, Holo's unsalted. We just went from 13 to $12. You had enough time to take profits if you wanted to, right? So enough time. AKLI, that thing is dumping. It's not really holding, Justin. Oh, look at Air go. Air is at 170 now. Oh, Air is on fire now, guys. Air is like, my turn. If you're still holding Air, type in yes in the chat. Still holding. Still holding Air, type in. Nah, 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 nah. Oh, that thing is, that's not a bad pop. Not a bad pop at all. Yes, 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 Yogi. Let's go. Yeah, Michelle, look at that 180. So we've gone from the 120s to 180, right? For Air. Go, baby, go. Yeah. Anyways, back to Holo. Yeah, Holo's still pumping. Oh my goodness, 1370. Whew, that's a nice push. 1370. That was a beautiful bottom at the open. That was perfect. Sell off at the open, hit the 200 demand zone. If you bought anywhere below $10, you're very happy, right? I think Holo is pumping because again, there's not a specific reason to why Holo is pumping. I think it's just gained momentum. Also, it's a stock that pumps quite often, so yep, there's no reason if you're asking for a reason for Holo to be pumping like a catalyst. It's just the volume, right? There goes $14 for Holo. Ooh wee, ooh wee. That looks nice. That looks very nice. Luna is still dumping, guys, right? Obviously, Luna hasn't given us they just haven't given us a good enough reason to like want to go up. You can't just send us stupid pictures. Like nobody cares about the moon. Well, that's not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is, as an investor, right? Like you need the company to give you like tangible things to look at and say, you know what, I'm investing in this company because at some point, money's right? You can go to the moon. Like the company can go to the moon and back, but like that's cool. What does that mean for us though? Nothing for now. At some point in the future, important for now, nothing. Anyways, ZVSA is halted down and A hit a supply zone at 180 and then backed off a bit there. You saw that? Yeah, you did. You sold. Nice. Good job, myself. Well done. That was a nice ride for you, though. Right from the bottoms almost to the top, almost not the top, but good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah. I mean, like I said, like these pictures are cool. It's cool for people to see stuff like this. It doesn't mean we know anything about like what the company is going to do with these pictures, though, right? Tell us that you know what, we've been to the moon, right? We've been to the moon. You know what this is going to mean for us going forward. It means like companies are going to pay us to drop these payloads, and at the end of the year, we're going to make $100 million. Blah 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 blah. That's what investors care about, not pictures, not pictures of the moon. What are we going to do with these damn pictures? Not a damn thing. A couple of before the landing. Don't exactly. Buy the hype, sell the news, right? People like to have something to look forward to. Like, hey, these guys are gonna land on the moon on this day. Hype, 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 hype. Once that's gone, it's like, okay, well, what's next, right? That's why they need to give us like numbers and stuff. Anyways, Holo's looking good. Yep, 1370 for Holo. It's a really nice push. 100%. 100%. FRG, it might go to, yeah, okay, sounds good. I'll keep an eye on it. Uh, uh, yeah, 13, yeah, $14 basically. Yeah, and then we just had the biggest red candle, 14 to 12. That's a massive red candle. I'm surprised that thing it's halted down. It has to be halted down. Has to be halted down on that candle. It's taking its sweet time. There we go, halted. Exactly, Josh. Air isn't making sense to you? Well, again, so we talked about air on Friday, right? We talked about air for a little bit on Friday. And the one thing that I liked about air on Friday was because think of like the hottest sector in the market right now. It's AI. Well, air is AI, right? Look at this daily. Look at the we. This is all stuff we talked about on Friday. All these markings, right? Look at this chart on a daily time frame. Okay, look at this. So let me. What do you see? What do you see? Right? Look at that. What do you see? You see a bottom on air. That's why we talked about this on Friday. Well, it's no longer at $1.20 though, is it? I see scam. Yep, it's at $1.70 now. So would I be buying this thing at $1.70? Maybe not, right? Yeah, they beat it down for sure. They destroyed it. So it was an easier gamble at $1.20, right? It was an easier gamble at $1.20. It's not so much at $1.80. So it might still have a lot of upside to go, but it's at the highs of the day. So yeah, it's a different gamble at this point. So if you take that gamble, make sure you have a really tight stop loss. Otherwise, if that thing crashes back to $1.20, you're losing monies and you're praying that it doesn't go to the abyss. That's not the best, is it? Not the best. Not the best. Uh, hmm. There's no volume in some of these other stocks. Jeff, I hope you have a stop loss, please. I hope you have a stop loss. Details. Select. Uh, Joe, what? 12? Oh my days, Joe. La 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 la. Oh my days. Monies. ICCM is back to break even. Michelle, yeah, I don't know. That thing is a bit weird, but it might be one of those that it takes a few days and then it eventually runs. Uh, 11. So basically 12 out at below 14. Good job, Kimbella. Yeah, that was a good exit because if you diamond handed that thing, you'd be breathing air. ZVSA, $2. Uh, and there goes ZVSA. My goodness. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Sheesh. 215 to 270. My goodness. Nasty. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Speaking of fun, what's fun doing this morning? Fun. Fun. Um, Fun is at 15 cents, right? So we've made it clear that with these split names, you might as well wait. You want to wait for names like air for fun. You want to wait till tomorrow when the split is completed and then let it sell off and consolidate. There's no need to be rushing into this stuff, right? No need. So and then DWAC, is DWAC green today? It's actually red, even though they had that Trump won some stuff last night. It's still red. There's really not a whole lot to see here. If you have a specific question, George, let me know. What if you're in a position? Let me know. If you're looking for an entry, let me know. So for now, it looks like you're looking for 46 cents ish for DWAC. For fun, that thing might just be a wait and see for tomorrow. Well, the split is today, but it doesn't go into technically doesn't go into effect till tomorrow, Koto. So split today, effective tomorrow. Effective tomorrow. Let's see. It's a nice pop. That is the mission. Thanks for the update. We keep buying Luna to until 13 plus. Who's we? Who's we? We keep buying. Anyways, Holo's unhalted. Unsalted. Yeah, Luna is just. See, if Luna was closer to $5 already, that would be so nice. But nope, not yet. We bought. Jeff, well done. Good job. I no. All I wanted you to do is like at least set a stop loss. So you're not going from green to red. STI? No, I haven't. STI. Uh, Solidon Technology, the one at. Okay. The volume is interesting. It's interesting, Musty. Let me pull up the daily here. This one, it seems like one of those with a lot of hype, Musty. A lot of hype. Okay, daily looks okay. All it needs to do here, Musty, though, is breakout. Breakout above like 57, 58. La, la, la. Not a fan of buying on a Monday. You don't like buying on Mondays? Interesting. Why? Why? When unhalted. Yeah, Holo looks like it's holding 1180 for now. 1180. $11.80. Yeah, I wonder if we get a tiny little double bottom here for Luna. If you're still holding Luna, type in yes. Like if you're still holding, you still believe the company will do well. Um, let me know. Speaking of Luna said, "Oh, you're talking about me? Oh, let me bounce. Let me bounce." Iova has done really well. Seems like a solid company. Lots of nice price target upgrades. Yeah. So, I mean, if we can stay above 660 for now on Luna, that's not too bad. Not too bad. At least for a bit of a bounce. Yes, yeah. Misha believes in Luna. She's gonna diamond hand it. So hopefully Luna can go boom skis again. Holo popped. Holo is just a monster. That thing is all over the place. The size of the candles, scary. Scary. $15? Yeah. Well, if you break above 1380, that might be very likely, Justin. If you can get a breakout. Musty, did you get into STI, or you're just kind of watching for now? Yeah, it seems to have a bit of hype, and the bottom is like 53-ish, so that's not too bad. But yeah, it needs to break out, doesn't it? Need the breakout. Say something nice about Michelle. No. No. Yeah, it looks like we're getting a bit of a double bottom there for Luna. Luna. Uh, 690. What do we have in there? ZVSA. Okay. There's a lot of, especially in the morning, like the bot goes crazy because there's so many names getting spammed. Polygon, Tony. Okay. Okay. I hate when we have like all these random names going back and forth all over the place. Though it's nice when you can pick like two names and say, you know what, these are the names. This is them. This is them. Let me look at CPOP again. Then Musty on a bigger time frame. Where did we dip to? Yeah, we dipped to the 200 on the daily, Musty. Yeah, 200 on the daily. Interesting level. Yeah, from the low, Greg. Yeah. Yeah, no, I have. I have looked at Iova. It's on one of these tabs. It's on the left hand side. You have resistance at 1720-ish. Um, yeah. Iova. Yeah, it's done really well. I think we looked at this last week and they had a whole bunch of price target upgrades myself. So TRNR. Yeah, these guys had news this morning. So drop at the open and then pop. I would want to see that thing close above $1.10 at this point, or just consolidate above $1. My turn. Pizza. My turn. Joe made 12,000 on those futures. 12 Joe did. Joe 12. 12. And it's been like it's like it's still the morning. 12. I beg me to do this. uh, Joe, I told you to stop and then, just send these over. But unbelievable. What are you looking for, Joe? Na 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 na. Which was a cause of another. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there goes that TRNR, retesting $1.10. So break and hold. Luna has a little bit of resistance here at 705. That's the 200 and the 50. So good bounce though. Good bounce. La, la, la. Yeah, Iova is looking really good, John. Looking really good this morning. That was a really good shout 2 weeks ago. AADAP is next. Let me take a look. Ski. ADAP. Oh, that thing has been pushing. He's been pushing from 40 something cents. It's actually yeah. Interesting, John. It's done well. Approval pending soon. Okay. Yeah. It almost looks like the market is expecting them to get it because it's been going up. Right. It's been going up there. Anyways, TRNR is popping. So highs of the day on this one. 78%. 78% retesting the VWAP there. So obviously, whenever you get close to $1.20, there's always a bit of resistance there. So watch that. Watch that. 120. Luna's doing better. Wow. Wow, Luna. 720 is your next resistance. Luna. What's the float on ADAP? That's not a small float. Otherwise, that thing would be gone. Gone skis. 156 million, John. Uh, yeah, ZVSA is getting destroyed by days. From 200% to 86%. Sheesh. Yeah. Hmm. Anyways, Holo is going back up to 14 again here, Justin. So you might actually hit that $15. Yeah. So retesting that double top. Come on, break it, break it, break it, break it, Holo. Break it, Holo. Come on, come on. 14 going once, 14 going twice, and for now it's a double top still. Going once, going twice, and still a double top. Still a double top. Or maybe this time, maybe this candle is the hey Holo. You know who's not in the stock? You want me to remind you who's not in the stock so you can pump? His name starts with a P. Does that help you out? P, and then E, and then T. Come on. It's like, yeah. Is it? Is it Peter? Yeah, it's Peter. Yes, it's Peter. Yeah, right. Yes, it's Peter. So now watch it break out, guys. Now that we've said Peter, it's only a matter of time at this point. Well, it pushed all the way to $14. It pushed to the highs of the day. Here we go. It's only a matter of time before it breaks $14. Nope. Peter is screwing with it. He's like, I entered. Pizza. Bunny. FDA. FDA. Come on, just break the damn thing already, man. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 93, 95, 99, and still resistance. La, 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 la. We need Holo at $20? Yeah. Yes, agreed. For now, though, if you're buying that thing at $14, you're asking for problems. Because if it fails at $14, you have a problem. Let's go, Wizard. How the twins doing, Wizard? How you are you sleeping? Good exit, by the way, Jeff. Good exit. Pizza. Pizza is out. They're great. Okay, amazing, amazing. Did Holo run to 100? Yeah, Holo ran to 100. Yep. Look at that. So that looks like a double top for now, unless we get a higher lower double bottom and then a pop, right? So we need a higher low, like a cup and handle. Yep. Yep. La 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 la. 1360. It's going back up. I mean, there's only one outcome when Peter says he's out. That's a breakout. Come on, when are we gonna get above $14 here? My goodness, no sleep, Wizard. Yeah, no sleep. Yeah, Luna's failing at the VWAP for now. For now. Doo-doo. Musty, that $4 might have been the level for C-pop. Might have been the level. Uh, 1369. Okay. Yeah, for now that's still playing out as a double top. Okay, you're playing Lee for earnings. Okay, sounds good. Na, 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 na. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, for Luna. Yeah, that'd be really interesting. Yeah, were you able to confirm, Musty, the exact date for Luna earnings? Because I saw that there were a few dates kicking around. So that might be the next catalyst. If Luna says, you know what, we have a lot of cash, we don't need to do anything, blah 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 blah. Maybe that's actually where we get those updates for Luna. You know, if they can say some nice things about monies, then that'd be good. Can't send us rubbish pictures. BSGM, BSGM, March 13. Choo, 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 choo. Yeah, Econ. Yeah, Econ was quite the scam, and then bounced up 27 cents. Yeah, the 27th, March 27th. See, there are a few days that people are spamming all over the place. So we're gonna need to wait for the company to actually file a thing on the SEC or on their company website. So yeah, company website and SEC. Those are the best places to go to when you're looking for. Anyways, there goes Luna. Luna with a nice pop. Alrighty, so that bottom at 670 that might have been the bottom. So hopefully, hopefully. La, 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 la. 62 now, Musty. Yeah, that thing looks interesting. We should have. Yeah, I see it now. I stopped paying attention to the breakout. Dang it. Yeah, not bad. The volume is slowly coming in too, which is good. Which is good. Ocean is pushing a little bit. Uh, hmm. Let's see. Na, 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 Interesting levels. 950 Kimbella is your average for Luna. Okay, you're gonna need a big run in a 1450. I'll take a look in a second. Yeah, Ocean is popping. Ocean pops. Okay, let's see here. STI. Yep. At this point, I would wait for that thing to consolidate though, because it's almost at the highs. Almost at the highs. Yeah, Bitcoin is pushing fire. Yep, 52. So that's why Mara is going. Mara. Yep. Uh, uh, Thank you, Jordan. Yeah, it seems like it is. Yep. It seems like it is. Okay. What other alerts do we have here? Anything else? Okay, let's see. Yeah, as soon as we say consolidating, that thing said, excuse me, consolidate these to the abyss. To the abyss. Consolidate the tomato bridge. Okay. Okay, there you go. Moving on. HOLO still consolidating? Yeah. Still just chilling. There really is more. Okay. Let's see. One big green candle, and it's it can go boomskis again. Probably. Probably. The only concern here though is that you're sitting below all these moving averages now, right? Below the chrono, below the 9, below the 20. So if that thing can reclaim the 9, and then yeah, for sure. Then yes, for sure. Force. Okay, let me pull up some of these other names here in the scanner. Choo, 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 choo. Okay. Ocean popped again. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, air is not too bad as long as it stays above $1.50. I don't mind. As long as we stay above 150, because as soon as that thing goes from green to red, I think people are gonna panic. Okay, let me take a look at ocean. Yeah, that's a nice breakout. That was a nice breakout. 175. It's a really nice breakout, actually. Yeah. What's the bottom of this here? Hmm. Yeah, HOLO is still dropping though. HOLO is almost retesting a downtrend there, but we've only tested this downtrend like once, uptrend once. So it seems to be holding, right? Which is really interesting. Seems to be holding. Hold the line. Hold the line. Hmm. Interesting. And Luna still looks okay, right? At least Luna's above the 200 for now. That's always an important point for the stocks. Always important. Yeah. I mean, that's if you're FOMOing into that thing now in a supply zone at 220 though, right? I wouldn't be doing that. Your FOMO should have been closer to like 175 on a breakout. So now just be careful at 220 there. Dang, Holo is still dropping. Your next support is closer to 1160, right? The last time we dipped, we bounced off 1160 ish. So maybe watch that level for a double bottom there. If we can get it, that would be good. Holo. Tesla hit 200 today. Oh, that thing said nope, 260. Well, I mean, it's still holding it. $2.60. Holo. Yep. What's the bid and ask on this stupid thing now? Okay, sounds good. Sound broke about $4. Wow, you know that's an accomplishment for that stock. It really is. Just having a bit of a runny nose. That's an accomplishment for that stock. Just the way that it's slow, you know. Okay, there we go. RNS is also pumping. Wow, interesting. Seems like today is the day for these rubbish names. What's RNS doing? Jeff is still holding that thing, isn't he? Pretty sure. Yeah, it's up 6%. I mean, it's been consolidating, Jeff. So at the very least, it's found a bottom. Very much a very much a dog today. Yep. So it looks like it's trying to actually cross for the first time today. This might be good for RNS. Hmm. Add that to the list. And then sound. Wow, that's not too bad. Not bad at all. I'm surprised it's running like this. Sound usually doesn't do this. Usually a POS. Today it's doing well though. Okay. Look at that. Huh. Look at that. Premium. Would when AMC would run 5% in a day? Yeah, they've given up now, Pablo. They've given up now. It's over. Uh, hmm, interesting. There we go. There we go. Why? Wasn't DTSS the same stock that ran with HOLO last time, Justin? You saw that, William. Congratulations. That was a really good entry. Yeah, that was a good entry. That was a You bought the breakout. Z breakout. Yep. EVA stock. It's starting to pump. EVA. For today, you made 24% and waiting for it to crash. Okay, sounds good. Good job. Yeah, it looks like it's crashing now, doesn't it? For the most part. Right, so maybe that thing can sell. Maybe the 200 at this point, it really isn't consolidating at all. So for now, the sell-off continues. Well done, William. Yep. Well done. Hmm. Okay. What else do we have on the list here? Scanner. Hmm. Yeah, it does look like ZVS has found a bit of a bottom just above, just like at like the high 130s, Justin. I'm surprised that thing has no volume though. For a stock that moved as much as it did earlier, it really seems to have. Yeah, I'm at some point. Oh, sound is on fire. I feel like we trashed this stock so much, and it's like, you know what? Let me show you what I can do with the 200 million share float. Interesting. Interesting. Hold my beer, Justin. Hold my beer. Yeah, if you asked me if sound could pump like this in the middle of the day, well, you know what I mean. I would say no. Yeah, bigger resistance. Yeah, that thing has resistance all over the place. Honestly, all over the place. It's trying. There goes Holo with a bit of a bounce there. A little bit of a bounce. Impressive. It's curling, lion. Okay. Choo, 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 choo. Mm, there we go. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Already, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. Ready? Yes. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. So smash a like if you haven't. 11%. Virus, are you back in arm calls, or you're just waiting for the sell off? Yeah, ZVSA looks like it really curled there. Yeah, that thing is going for $1.50 now. That's actually not a bad curl. Not a bad curl. You're waiting for now, Virus? Okay, sounds good. That's good. 13% on the sound. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay. Yeah, it's trying. Almost back to $12 there, so that's not too bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, from 11 to 12, not bad. Huh. If sound is moving like that though, like, is there any other sympathy plays with this? Yeah, AKLI is curling, 46 cents. I think BBAI was another one, right? Oh, yeah, this one doesn't look bad at all either. Wow, they're both kind of the same percentage in gains. That was a good breakout at 207. So Sound broke out above $4 and then 420 and then pushing for 450, and then BBAI broke above 207, 210. What exactly is a sympathy play? Something that runs because of something else. Sympathy, right? I know that's not the definition you're looking for, but yeah, running because they have some type of connection, right? Whether it's a valid connection or not a valid connection, we're running because there's something there. Average is 51. Okay, yeah, it's trying. It's almost above $1.50 now. ZVSA almost. Pizza. Do, 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 do. There we go. You got stopped out. Oh, I see. Well, thank you, Mark, for smashing the like. It's like a German Shepherd runs. Other German Shepherds want to run too. Exactly that. Exactly. And sometimes, honestly, they're not all German Shepherds. They're just all like all dogs just running. You know. It's like you see those videos. Like if one black guy runs, forget about it. There doesn't need to be a. Yep. Please come join my YouTube channel. So it's like that. It's like that. Mm, let's see. Does that look like a double bottom? Kind of. Kind of. Yeah, Luna is holding strong. Yeah, it is. Hopefully, it continues to hold strong. Yep. Amazons. Amazons. We don't even ask. We just start running, bro. Yep. It's like a happy Monday 80. Ayo, ayo. No questions needed. Just run. Just run. Is, if you see violence, don't wait to find out why there's violence. MLGO. Is that the messy stock? Let me go look. MLGO. Oh no, that's Messi is the other one. Whatever happened to that stock? It just died, you know. Like Messi never existed. But see, if it was a Cristiano stock, it would be a different story. But you know, cannot have nice things. I'm kidding. Not. Yeah, MGOL. That's the one. M gold. Dang, this the stupid thing just died. You know, no volume. Don't ask questions, especially if you're in the same group 3 times. Otherwise, you might be the only one there, making you the scapegoat. So, anyways, wait. She just did that now. Pan W. Is that a new position? Of course, it's up like so much already, though. I think this is the one Mark was talking about last week, though. When did she take that position? Like, is that a new thing? Like a month later. Yup. I bet you she bought when it was at like 260s. Wait, she bought in the money calls. All right, post the link in Discord. I.e., let me take a look. With a crybaby, with a crybaby. Okay, I see it. I see it. So Nancy Pelosi just bought 1.25 million of Pan W calls with a strike of 200. So they expire in 2025. I mean, all that might mean. Yeah, thank you. It's in Discord already. Yeah, I mean, honestly, $200 strikes. I get that it's cool, but come on. I think at this point, you know, like you, yeah, musty. I think at this point, you just go buy some. You go look for some sympathy, cybersecurity plays. But then again, they might not have moved the same, so that's pretty useless. Pretty useless. La, 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 la. Hmm. Yeah, Holo's trying to curl again here off the bottom, so that's not too bad. Yeah, she's in the monies. Yeah, exactly. 8 cents. Okay. Oh, a Caesar. Hmm. Yep. Uh, na, 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 na. Okay, let me take a look. me send this over actually. Send that over. I was getting excited, like, okay, let's go look for some calls. Let's go join Nancy Pelosi. Nope, not the same. It is not the same. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the volume is interesting on this one. Float. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, it looks like HOLO's curling really nicely there, isn't it? So that bottom was perfect. There goes $12. Not a whole lot of cash, is it? There it goes. That's a nice curl. It's a really nice curl there for a HOLO. 1250. Yeah, anywhere in the low 11s was a really good entry. Really good entry. Okay, let me take a look at the bit on this one. BMR is actually trying now too. BMR. Yeah, not that bad. That you sold? Don't worry about it. BMR. Dang, that was a really nice bottom actually. We were watching this one in the morning as a sympathy play, but then we just looked away. And then boom, highs of the day, 850. Oh well. Ocean failed at that 220, 220, 230 level, so good thing. MSS. Okay. MSS. I like the way that air is holding up, not bad. Not bad at all. MSS. This one's had some crazy runs in the past too, Pablo. Yeah, highs of the day, 25%. Not bad. The 29th? Okay. MSS. Is HOLO still pushing? Yeah. HOLO has a little bit of a pivot there, Justin, at like 1260, so it's going to need to clear that level. 1260. Here comes 58, 56, and then another fail. Another fail, back to 45, back to 40, back to 28. Yeah, so that 1260 is a bit of an issue. Yeah, it wants to. That's the third candle now that it's tested. So it's gonna need to break out. Yeah, the stupid wicks. 67 musty? Damn. Dang, dang, dang. Okay. 12. Yep. Yeah, yep. You have all these moving averages there now, the 20, the 50, the 9. So, yep. Three more months and I'm a free agent. Pizza was signed. Um, yeah, 36, 36 months. 36-month contract, you know? Um, yep. Pan W is pushing though. I bet you the Nancy Pelosi hype is for sure helping the stock. Watch this be the next crazy Nvidia type runner. Hmm. I bet you Dan forward into these Pan W calls. Dan is like, you know what, send it. Holo's going back up again to retest that level, Justin. So see if we can break. Have we given up on Luna? Why would we give up on Luna? Did you sell those Luna puts? I guess Dan, you did it, didn't you? Oh my goodness! Wow, 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 wow. See, I know you guys very well now. Yep. Dan said, you know what? Send it. Send it. Is that the daily chart? What's this? Uh, okay. Na, 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 na. Okay. That isn't that isn't calls. Wait. Bump it first. A spy? Yeah, a spy is just I don't know what the S&P is doing honestly. Yeah, Wednesday DP. Okay. 116. Well done, Dan. Well done. You killed the stock. That's all I'll say. You killed it. Do we have a KB? Uh, uh, oh yeah, I see what you're asking. I see what you're asking. Do better. With his head in the sand. Has muted the soccer channel. Yeah, I muted the soccer channel. You guys were spamming too much. No way, really? Dang it, that's not something I want to hear. I want like fun is something we're gonna pay attention to tomorrow. Oh wow, it really is recovering. Wow. Well, I don't want to. That's not something we want to see. We want these guys to do the split first, and then so we can play with it after. Because like, what's the point of playing with fun now? Like, what's this rubbish? La, 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 la. Look at stock terms. Ooh, I'm almost at a. Mm, Yeah, 12. Yeah, it looks like we failed at the same stupid resistance again there, Justin. Same level, same resistance. Na, 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 na. Here we go. Yep, $12. 11.90, $12. Doo, doo, doo. What does the 4 hour look like on this chart? Uh, nice demand zone. It's an interesting demand zone. Then the 1 minute looks like off the bottom. Okay. Highs of the day, ATM, Okay. Yeah, BBAI and SoundSoft, these names are kind of picking up now. And then Mark has been posting this one, CLDI, or someone else has been as well. It's done well. Done well. Only concern is you're just now breaking above the high. Like you're just now breaking that double top on some pretty big green candles, Mark. So yeah, it's like it looks good. If you're in it already, though, it looks really good because it's a breakout. If you're not, you almost want to give it a second to see what happens. Um, at $1.55, above $1.55, if we can close above on a few of these candles. On a few of these candles. La, 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 no, cool. Jordan Ocean. Sound has a lot of resistance below like 450. Is Vance, are you getting some puts on this? Or air? Oh, it's air. Let me go take a look at air. Yep. Yeah, air is just chilling. Just chilling. Chilling. Ocean. Choo, 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 choo. Yeah, retesting those double tops. So it looks like we dipped to $1.90 and then we're going back for 230. So that would be your breakout level there, Justin. Jordan. It's gonna have a little run. Okay, blue. Fun. Is anybody playing with fun before the split happens, or we're all just waiting? Fun, fun, fun. Yup, musty. Yup, yup, yup. I think struggled there quite a bit, hasn't it? Quite a bit. You're playing with it? Okay. I mean, if you bought that thing off the bottom, you're very happy. So yeah, Musty, it looks like we failed at this level quite a bit in the past. Right? Like right there. Quite a bit. So what did I do now? And pizza. What happened? What happened? I did nothing. Nothing. Nothing at all. Okay, let's do nothing. Uh, hmm, okay. Tomorrow see. As long mod. Okay. Holo wants to. Yep, if it can break above that 1260, and then sure, sure. ZVS is getting entered again, so BMR. I wish we paid more attention to this one earlier. It's done really well, DP. There's really nothing else to say. You have resistance at 855, so 855, 86, 860, and then look for $9. No. Why is AI moving, Jeff? What do you mean? What do you mean? Ask yourself this question, Jeff. What's the hottest thing in the market? What's everybody talking about? AI. What's NVIDIA doing this morning? NVIDIA is green, right? NVIDIA is going for 800. So yeah, it's all about AI. AI. What's pumping the entire market? It's AI. What's been pumping the market for the last month? It's been AI, right? So that's why. I bet you though, when some of these smaller caps start to run, I bet you the sell-off is coming. Yeah, exactly. Nvidia is holding up the the entire market. Entire market, Nvidia. So, yep. Pizza Hole. Yeah, okay. Ocean is testing the highs. It's testing the highs. It's a very nice run. I want to learn how to crush Nvidia. Yep. Exactly. You can't spell Blaze without AI. Exactly. Exactly. We should have known. We should have known AI. AI would be the thing. So, yep. AI. Eventually, Musty. Eventually. Question is when, though. Question is when. Uh, la, 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 the 23rd. 23rd. 22nd. Yeah, there goes Ocean. The Ocean. You've been in the basements? That's okay, Jeff. Yeah, green, but reverse split is tomorrow. Luke, I was hoping they wouldn't be green. I was hoping that thing would crash. I was hoping it would crash. Yeah, there goes 250, almost 250. Almost 250. No, your breakout was a little bit lower. Your breakout was 235. So it broke out already and it's going. Ocean. Right, that little green line at the top there, that was your breakout. Double. There goes 250 now. 253. Wow. Not bad. Not bad at all. They have AI in the name. Do they actually do anything AI though? Choo, 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 choo. 164? Oh yeah, 166. 166. Super slow. My goodness. With a low flow like that, Justin, I'm surprised like it's moving like a snail. Snail mail. 166? Okay. Snail mail. Come on. What time is it? Yeah, we have like 30 minutes left. And then doo, 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 doo. Okay, let's see. Doo, 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 doo. That thing is really pumping. That was a nice breakout. So if you got that breakout, congratulations. One share to dump it, Musty. Now let it go. Let it squeeze, please and thank you. La, 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 la. 170. Ooh, nice. Uh, might as well sell. That's your rule. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Exactly. Might as well pump it now and then crash it after earnings, and then you're waiting for like you're waiting for Christmas. Doo, doo, doo. 170. You're all out. Nice. Oh, that was a nice pop. 170. Very nice. Very very nice. Again, I do like how we haven't been below $1.50 on that name, so that's always a good thing. Do, 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 do. Yeah, you okay? The line, okay. La, la, la. 1250, 1240. I broke out already. So we finally broke above that 1260, Justin. Finally, it only took like forever to get there, but it's finally done it. So that's good. Oh wow, nice pop. Really nice pop. Holy holo, dreamy. Yeah, that's a really nice push. So the last time we pushed, we really struggled at 1260. So this time it destroyed it and said goodbye. Goodbye. Yep. Holo holo. 1330 at the highs. And then obviously this was the level that Peter got in at $14. I'm kidding by the way, but yeah, $14 would be your next major resistance there if we ever got close. If we ever got close. HYMC, big news coming. Oh my goodness, Dan. Huh. This is Dan's other accounts. This is the Twitter account, That's the rubbish. HYMC. Highcroft Mining. I know why. Please want an Apple Vision Pro. Yes, please. Yes, please. I would like that very much. That would be nice. Yeah, exactly. You got, yeah, HYMC is a stupid stock. Ponzi. Okay, let's see. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, I'll take a look. CM 20. Okay, I'll take a look. Can you believe the first time we talked about CLSK was at like, I don't know, $5, $6. CLSK has gone all the way to $20 now. Crazy, 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 crazy. CLSK, crazy, crazy, crazy. I don't know if we're even going to be able to find resistance. I don't know, unless we're looking at like we're gonna have to go. Well, I mean, like if you go far back enough, right, you can see that top, and like I know what you I know why you're asking. It's because the resistance is a little bit higher, isn't it? All the way to $23, right? So it's a little bit higher. We're having to go all the way back there. So there's a level at $20.70, and then there's 23. Yep, that's impressive. That's very impressive. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, Holo's crashing again. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, 450. Yeah, CM. There's yeah, there is a level at 2070, and then once you get to that supply zone, honestly, like 22 to 23, you're just gonna have to start moving your stop loss higher, right? Because that's a really nice run. Hopefully, Bitcoin keeps going. Send it. 13. Yeah. I mean, let's see what happens here on this drop. Blame Pete. So 1270. Yeah, 2070. I mean, it looks like it hit like 2067 and then backed off. So I don't know how reliable that 2070 level is going to be, but yeah, Wolf is slow. You never know, though. You never know. You never know. Wolf has done a good job just holding these levels, so that's not too bad. It's not too bad actually. Not too bad actually. Okay. Which video? Which video, Dad? I hate like the stupid weather change. Like yeah. You want to know what the weather? So look at this. Okay, these are the pictures of the lunar moon. Look at this. The weather is stupid. When I say stupid, like it's pretty damn stupid. Look at this. Like look at how quickly it changes. How the hell? Like just look at this. Last week, you want to know what the weather was? We were enjoying like the plus, +5, +7. Summer was coming. Like from yesterday to today, like it went so opposite. And then yeah, my nose is struggling today. Oh, Dan, who asked you? Who asked you? So having to oh, Bitcoin. Wait. Did you say 54? Oh wow! No wonder these things are on fire. Oh my goodness, yeah. Look at that damn run. Yeah. Yeah. Stupid Canadian. Yep. Yep. That's a nice run, Crystal. Very nice run for Bitcoin. Impressive. Sun and cloud. that's your weather forecast. A mix of sun and cloud. Yep. Like the no, it's actually three different things. You see the little drizzly things? That's snow, and clouds. There's no sun. There's no sun here, please and thank you. There's no sun. It says partly cloudy. Well, partly cloudy and probably snowy pizza. There's no sun. Maybe tomorrow. See, I don't even need to go outside till like Wednesday because that's when it starts getting warmer again. Because that's just a little bit ridiculous, isn't it? A little bit ridiculous. But anyways, what do we have here, Holo? Another bounce of the VWAP, Justin. Yeah, so 1150 bounce. Not too bad. I mean, hopefully at some point, Jeff, like Wolf can pick up because CLSK was around the same price not too long ago, right? And then it picked up. So maybe someday this thing is gonna say, you know what? Why am I at $2? I'm the cheapest one. So oopskies, maybe with a 250K loan. Wow, he's put my money in Bitcoin though, right? So I think that's where the money's gone for the most part. All the money's BTC, Pablo. He buys and buys and buys and buys and buys, and he doesn't want to sell. So I like how I think yeah. Well, we were kind of joking about like this was let me see here. Okay. Yeah, 500 million market cap with 250. Yeah, isn't that impressive? Well, good for him. Yeah, I think again, like obviously the value is directly tied to the value of Bitcoin. So he's put a lot of monies in Bitcoin, a lot of money. So the idiot favorite, the Peter. Why is that a thing you'd mentioned? Why Peter? Every damn day, musty. Yeah. Well, you wish you forward into Bitcoin though. It is Nas kind of. Um, yeah. Are you in it? What's your entry price? What's your entry price? Let me know. 40 and zeros. Okay, perfect. Miner that hasn't been pumped yet. Yeah, I saw that one earlier too. I saw that one earlier as well. Okay, let's change. Here we go. Cool. Highs of the day. Yep, Nancy Pelosi. See, that's why I was so excited to go look at those calls. But then the damn thing is, it was where it was already. So, Dan Fomo, though, he said, "You son of a bee." Nancy's in, so am I. I'm sure Virus is in too. Virus, you didn't follow Nancy Pelosi? You have to. In it, bruv. You have to. Have to jump in. Nancy jumps in, you jump in. Again, she's been in that thing for a long time already, but the fact that it's been filed today, people are gonna FOMO. Oh, you're really not in it? Oh, okay, never mind then. Yeah, like if she files it today, people are gonna jump in. That's the trend, isn't it? So, T Rex 4 hours spy looking like a T Rex. Yeah, let me pull up the 4 hour on the S&P. Okay. Uh, why is the stupid bank calling me? What do you want? Hello? Okay, sounds good. Okay. 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 Perfect. Okay. 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 Thank you. You too. Bye. Check you. Yeah. Oh, it was on speaker. Yeah. Whatever. It was. I just had to. Yeah. They just wanted me to come in. But like, hey, bring your ID. Come in. Anyways. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I wanted to look at the S&P on the 4 hour. 1 hour, not the four. Okay, thank you. Yeah, even on the four, honestly, it still looks a little bit shaky, doesn't it? But then again, it's the S&P. Yeah, it does look T-Rexy. Yeah, look at that nice double top there. I'll go back to Holo, but yeah, it almost looks like a head and shoulder, like a mini head and shoulder too on the hourly Troy SPY. I feel like if we close one of these hourly candles below 507, if the S&P goes below 507, we might be getting ready to be entered. You know, if we go below 507, I think that might be a confirmation. Just because when you look at that hourly, so if I do a little line across, so I'm gonna do a new line, like just a horizontal line here, and I put it right there. You can kind of see like what it's bouncing off, right? So like we've been bouncing since we broke above, like I mean, let's call it the last 2 days, right? It's been holding every single one of these hourly candles above this price, above. So if one of these close below that thing, I'll do a line with you. If one of these things close below that price, then it might be it might be time for the S&P to go down. So that would be nice. So Virus is looking for puts already. Virus is already in puts. It needs to go to 506, and then yeah, 506.90. 506.90 first. Yeah, yeah. I call it 507 just because it's right there. But the actual number itself might be a little bit lower. Yep. And nothing happens. I forgot to phase fine and nothing happens. Yep. Oh yeah. Exactly, Troy. Off and is free thrusting. So I can. It's not like I know what I'm doing. Yeah, no virus. I always just use these round numbers, but no, Troy's right though. For now, it just seems like a demand zone consolidation thing. So until we break below that level, we could easily just turn around and say, "Ooh, la la, AI pumping again, spy new all-time highs." So, yep. Yep. Look. Speaking of AI, random. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia's like, ooh, let me go test the highs. So if that thing goes, my market not really care. Christo, very nice. What's Luna doing here? It's been a second since we talked about Luna. Yeah, Luna is still going to the abyss, guys. Luna's at the lows of the day now. So $6.50 lows. So again, Luna has issues, right? If we can go all the way back down to 540, that might be nice. So yep, Luna is falling like a tomato. Oof. Not the damn thing tipped over on its side. So is the stock. The stock is tipping over now too. All we needed from these guys was like an all we needed from these guys was just maybe that's gonna come during earnings. Maybe that's why. Just tell us something like about like numbers instead. What this means for the company. Not, hey, this is cool that we landed on the moon. Nobody cares after the fact. You know? So, for now, people are taking their monies and running. Like, hey, thank you. Goodbye. Thanks. Goodbye. No. It's all about 50704 from the 22nd post market. Yep. I agree. if we close a candle below, right? So, are you looking for puts, Troy, or anything seems like they're in trouble? They released some pictures this morning, Dan. So Twitter, they released some pictures this morning. They seem very sus, but it is what it is. So this thread has a whole bunch of pictures in it. So according to, so they're saying that these are the, like, this is the picture from the descent, right? As they're going into the moon, this is the picture they took. And then the thread has a whole bunch of other pictures. They're saying this is like a, I don't know what this is. It looks like a salad, like just another, but it looks like a damn rock sitting in on the moon, you know? Also, how do you get a beautiful picture of the moon like surrounding, but then the actual object is almost invisible? How? Like, look at everything else around it and then look at the actual picture. Beautiful. And then the object missing. Is that a video? It's like a little video. Where did they get this video from? How come this video just goes switch, 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 and it doesn't show us anything? That's all you could get. And then there was another. There was a better picture though. There was a picture of them like actually somewhere. Um, yeah, this picture. This, I think this is the best one they have so far. So it looks like that's the damn thing, and then that's it's standing on its feet, or it's laying on the ground. I don't know, but it's doing something. It's doing something. Why the shadows so long? Honestly, the yep. So all of this is cool. Like the pictures are cool. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Like the pictures are cool and all, but it would have been nice if the company said, you know what, this is what it means. This is virus. You're not wrong. Not wrong. Two. Not wrong. Two. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Exactly, Pablo. Honestly, this is why, we said it quite a bit. Pablo's been spamming this, made it very clear that people would take profits. Like it's very clear. People always take profits every single time. Like we've never had an event where like it's amazing, 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 and then people are celebrating before the event and they're celebrating after the event. Always something happens in the market to screw you over. Also, when these guys got options, you should have known that they were ready to screw you, right? As soon as those options hit, like, okay, welcome. Right? Everybody's hyped. Somebody wants to buy puts when they drop these options, you know? So somebody was hyped. Yep, we've seen it so many times. Exactly, like all the time. When everybody gets excited and hyped and everything, somebody's on the other side waiting to enter you, right? Every single time. So, yep, yep. It never is as it seems, right? That's why buy the hype, sell the news is a thing that's so famous, It's a famous expression. Buy the hype, sell the news. Buy the hype, sell the news. So, anyways, yeah, Luna is sitting at new lows of the day. Oof. That's not good. That's not good. That there's no good, right? So, um, you know what else is famous? What, fake pictures? Or what? Yeah, Musty. Yeah, if you zoom out on Luna, so let's look at Luna. Like you look at the daily. We talked about this over the weekend, right? You look at that last resistance before the breakout. That's kind of the level that Musty mentioned, right? So like right there, that red arrow. If you go all the way to the right hand side, the reason why this is good, Musty, is that that level aligns with the 200 on the daily. So that could be a nice spot if we just drop there, you know. That would be a nice spot. If it dropped and consolidated, that would be good. So, and again, I said this on the weekend when I posted trade ideas, right? If you're interested in Luna, wait till the dust settles, right? Because if you're FOMO into Luna now, like when's the next catalyst? What's coming next? Who the hell knows, right? So if you're just gonna jump in, you're playing with violence. S&P popped and then came back down. So you're still waiting for those puts, right, Virus? Waiting, waiting, waiting for revenge. Anyways, Holo still playing with a little $12 there. Playing with $12. $12. Violence, Joe. Violence, violence. Uh, Quota, please check your plan and hmm, interesting. Choo-choo-choo. Very hard time getting above. Yeah. Another one that looks interesting here though is let me pull up this one. Spy still bouncing. Yep. TCBP. This one seems to be slowly creeping up there. What's the volume? Volume isn't too poor, I guess. But this one's been creeping up slowly all morning. Slowly TCBP. The daily also looks interesting actually. Like it's coming off, but this one's a known. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, low floats. I think needs to get above $1.20 though. $1.20. It just looks interesting as it's slowly creeping up there. So we shall keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. See if it breaks above $1.20. Holo's back above $12. 180, Lori. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Uh, la 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 la. Article and looks like they're shutting the. Oh, they're shooting it down. Let me see. Sideways moon landing cuts mission short. Oh. 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 No wonder these guys weren't smiling. You know what? They actually put in the pictures, the same pictures. And so while Luna is bragging about those pictures, um, while Luna is bragging about those pictures, there's another article saying they're shutting it down. Landing mission short, private U.S. LUNR was seized on Tuesday. Wow, really? Is expected to cease operations on Tuesday. Its mission cut short after landing sideways near the south pole of the moon. These guys knew this on day one, you know. They knew this a long time ago, and they didn't say anything. They're like, oh, yeah, success, success, success. It was this morning. Well, I didn't see it. So I'm just seeing this now. The only thing I saw this morning was the tweets from the Twitter account. Uh, Until sunlight no longer shines, the sun, based on the London officials expect to happen on Tuesday morning. To 3 days. The lander, according to land astronauts in this region in the next few years. Oh wow, okay. Well, they got paid 118 million to deliver. Oh wow, that's a lot of money actually. The communication with Earth, Japan's lander ended up on the wrong side too. Just last month. La, 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 la. But, la, 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 la. Cool. Cut short. What a. See, that's interesting though. You can see why these guys want to go to the moon, right? Yeah, you can see why they want to go to the moon. Because I don't know how much money they spent to go to the moon, but they got paid $118 million. 118 million. So you can see why they want to go to the moon. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, they profited and done exactly, virus. So in the next few years, like if they keep going to the moon, if they go to the moon like all the time, which I'm sure this is going to be a business because every damn country wants to go to the moon. Look at that, right? Japan went to the moon and they got lost. Russia went to the moon. All these countries are trying to go there, so they're trying to deliver stuff to the moon. So there clearly is money to be made. So if Luna at some point can figure out how to land not on its site, then that's good. I mean, they made it though, so that's a good that's a good step. India landed on the moon a couple of months ago. Did they land like upright? Interesting. Um, and plan. Now, there you go. Ooh, that thing is picking up a little bit of momentum, isn't it? TCBP, huh? It's testing $1.20 there. If we can break that level, interesting. See if we can break and hold. See if that thing can clear $1.20 and actually stay above it. Uh, okay. Tesla's on fire. It's about time. It's about time Tesla was on fire. Air is at 180 now. Air. I mean, we knew this thing would go, right? Look at that. 190, guys. 190. Look at that. Right? Did we catch it off the bottom? We did. We did. So congratulations if you're still holding this. Again, from $1.20, there's a lot of upside to this, right? So all it needed to do today was stay above that 150, and it looks like it did, right? So if you set a stop loss at 149, it never hit, and here comes our $2 almost. This. There we go. La, 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 la. 180. You knew it would go. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Again, make sure you have a stop loss. Move your stop loss higher. 25%. Right. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. We have about another. Oh wow, my goodness. Okay, well, 3 minutes left, guys, and then I have to hop off. To go do some one-on-ones. So again, don't forget to yeah, it's stubborn. Don't forget to smash a like, please, and thank you if you haven't already. Um, we're gonna try and come back for Power Hour, of course. Alrighty, Power Hour, Power Hour. So smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you want to come join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom. If you because you're missing out. We're gonna be talking about all these names for the next few hours. So come and join us. KK. Okay. Let me know if you have any last questions, and I'm gonna hop off. Uh, there you go. But why Rich? Rich, when are you joining us in Discord? When? When? The phone calls, Joe. Yep. You have to. You have to. La, la, la. Yeah, 14 for run to 17. Yeah, it does. Hopefully at some point today. You're up 80, 180. You are, Gary? Well, congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, no, no, no. A rep. A rep. No, 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 no. From Nabisco. Is that a cookie maker? That name sounds so familiar, but it sounds like a coffee maker instead. The mission to watch yeah, a rep with a nice little pop there. Nice little pop. Let's go, Crystal. Absolutely. We should be we'll try and come back for Power Hour, guys. Alrighty? Try and come back for Power Hour. I just have to do some calls, and then we're good to go. Sound is at the highs of the day. That's actually impressive. Luna is kind of bouncing, but yeah, sound is. I'm impressed by sound's fight today. 16%. That's actually too. That's nice. Here we go. Yeah, so we'll keep an eye. Oh yeah, air looks beautiful, guys. Ooh, air looks nice. That thing wants to break above $2. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing go. Air is finally taking off now. Oof, 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 oof. There we go. 205. That's a nice run. So congratulations again if you're in this thing. Congrats. Congratulations. That's a very nice run. Right. So okay, we talked about this one last week, and the daily looks beautiful. My goodness. Beautiful looking chart at the bottom. From a stock that is that fits the theme of the market. Beautiful. Okay, let's do 14. Stop loss. Z stop loss. Z stop loss set. Yeah, what an absolute beauty, Justin. Right off the bottom to the boom skis, and it's not done yet. Speaking of air, is doing well. Okay, easiest breathing air, Troy. I like how this thing is like it. It's able to hold up really well. Today especially, like it's done exactly what you want it to do. The only thing this thing had to do today was stay above 150. That's the only thing, and then slowly creep up, of course. And it's done. It's done it all, right? So very nice, very nice. Anyways, guys, we're gonna keep chatting in Discord about all of this stuff. So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out. Right? If you again, if you took this when we talked about this on Friday, close to $1.20, well, it's at $2 now, and you've made monies. So come join us in Discord. If you click the link at the bottom of the chat there, and if you become a member, just send me an email. Email at the top there, Hot Trades X, and I'll send you an invite. Other than that, have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe. Don't do anything that a virus wouldn't do. And then, yeah, really musty. Interesting. I did not see that. I'll take a look. I'll take a look in a second. Yesterday? Oh wow! Surprised that wasn't a bigger deal. Uh, yeah. Yes. Maybe this can become the next HOLO. The next HOLO. Next HOLO. Anyways, again, be safe and bye, guys. Bye all. See you soon.